Are you tired of searching through your emails to find the starred ones? Well, look no further, because in this video I'm going to show you how to easily display your starred emails in the label list on Gmail. Let's dive in. First, open gmail.com on your computer. Then, navigate to the top bar and locate the gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu. In the settings menu, find and click on the Labels section. Here, you'll see a list of all the different labels you can display in your inbox. Scroll down until you find the starred label. Click on it to reveal more options. Now, you'll see the option to show the starred label in the label list on the left side of your Gmail inbox. Simply check the box next to Show, and your starred emails will now be easily accessible in the label list. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can now easily show your starred emails in the label list on Gmail. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for important emails and stay organized in just minutes. Happy emailing!